Welcome to part 2 of what is Chalk Couture. So I have my transfer down on my chalkboard. I'm going to use a squeegee. A squeegee is kind of like a rubber spatula and it comes in different sizes. I have chalk paste here. I have shimmer chalk paste and I have ink. So I'm going to use the chalk paste to show you quickly how you can get the chalk paste onto the surface. Squeegee across here quickly. And then I'm going to gently peel my transfer off. And there my image has gone onto our chalkboard. Takes about a minute or two to dry completely, and then you'll be able to set that up in your house. Watch part 3 to see me clean the transfer.